Happy birthday! Hi! Welcome!
Không nghe thấy.
Yes, welcome
Rồi,
back, my dear. Hi! Hello!
hello.
Wow! Hello, my dear Ken. Hi! Welcome back. Nice. Can you see, teacher?
Yes,
Wow! Can you hear teacher, my dear Ken?
yes,
Okay. Very good, my dear. How are you?
yes,
Wow, how are you, my dear? Good?
yes,
Oh, yes. Wow. Did you eat? Did you eat?
yes.
Wow. What did you eat? Right?
Settle. Yes,
Okay, wow. Was it yummy, my dear?
yes,
Okay, wow. Are you happy today?
yes.
Wow. Teacher is happy. Why are you happy, my dear?
I learn with teacher.
Wow. Yay. Very good, my dear. Wow. Are you now ready?
Yes,
Okay, so we're going to learn. Can you please read what let?
A,
Wow, very good.
B,
Nice.
C,
Yay! Wow, good job. All right, my dear. So let's go. Okay. Can you please tell teacher what letter is this?
A,
Yes, very good.
B,
Good.
C, D, E,
Okay.
F,
Wow, good.
G, H,
Wow.
I,
Okay.
J,
Letter?
K,
Okay.
O, M,
Very good.
N,
Okay. Letter?
O,
Wow.
P,
Okay. What letter?
Q,
Q.
Q,
Okay. Very good, my dear. Next.
O,
Wow. R.
R,
Yes, very good. What letter is this, my dear?
H,
Yes. S.
S,
Wow, good. Hmm. What letter is this?
T.
Yes, good job. What letter?
U.
Wow, very good. How about that?
V.
V, good job. Next, Miss Ear.
W.
Okay. W. W. Double.
U.
Yes, very good. Okay, next, my dear.
C.
Okay, letter. Dun, dun, dun. X.
H.
Wow, very good. Next, what letter?
Zero.
Wow. Letter Y.
Y.
Okay, very good, my dear. Next.
Z.
Yes, wow, good job. Okay, so now let's sing the ABC song or the alphabet song. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. One, two, three. A, B,
A B C D E F G I
J,
G K
L,
L
M,
B
N.
D
Wow.
O
O,
P Q
R,
L
S,
S
T,
T
U,
U
V,
V
W,
W
X,
S
Y,
Y S
and Z.
G
Now
I
I know my
Y A B C
next
X
time
Y L
you
E
sing with me.
E
Wow! One more time, my dear. Let's go faster. A, B, C, D, F,
A B C I
Z,
N
K, L,
I
M, N, O, P,
V Q R M
T,
Z O B W
U, X,
Z
Y,
Y
and
S C
now I
Now I
A,
A B C
F,
H I U V
sing
W
with
with
me.
me.
Yay! Wow, good job, my dear. Teacher is proud of you. Yay! Very good. Okay, my dear. Again, what letter is this?
I
Okay, very good. We're going to learn letter A.
I
Okay. Hmm. Wow. Can you please read this one, my dear?
apple
Yes, very good. Can you say this is?
apple apple
Yes. Can you please read this one, my dear? Angry.
Wendy
Wow. Angry
Angry. Angry.
apple.
Apple.
Wow, very good. Yay. One more time. Angry apple.
Angry apple.
Wow, very good. Yay. Good job, my dear. Look. Hmm. I am an angry apple. Hmm. Okay. Next, my dear. Hey, what letter is this?
A.
Yes, very good. How about this? Letter?
Need.
Yes, letter N.
N.
Yes, very good. How about this?
Z.
Wow, very good. G.
Z.
Oh, good. What letter is this?
Z.
Yes, letter R.
Z.
Yes, letter R.
I.
Yes, very good. What letter is this, my dear?
E.
Let Yes, letter Y.
Y.
Okay, very good. One more time, my dear. What letter is this? Letter?
Y.
Okay, wow, very good. Next, my dear. How about this?
E.
Oh, good. Wow. This one, my dear. Letter L.
L.
Okay. Next, my dear.
P.
Wow, very good. Okay. One more time, my dear Can. What letter is this? Letter L.
L.
Okay, very good. Wow. Okay. Can you please read again, my dear? A
I. Apple.
Wow, very good. Angry apple.
I. I. Apple.
Wow, very good. Yay, good job, my dear. Okay, next. Wow, this is,
Apple.
yes, very good. Do you like apple?
I like apple.
Wow, because I like
I.
apple
Apple.
because,
Uh, I like
yes.
apple.
Wow. Why do you like apple, my dear?
I like apple.
Because it's yummy?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Yummy. Okay. Next, my dear. Okay. So, can you please read this one, my dear? Up.
Okay. Up.
How? Up.
Up. Up.
Wow. One more time, my dear. Up.
Up.
Wow. Very good. What letter is this, my dear? Letter?
I C.
Okay. Letter X.
X.
Wow. Very good. Letter X.
H.
Yes, very good. Wow. All right. Oh. What is this, my dear? Hmm. Can you read? Ant.
Ant.
Yes, very good. One more time, my dear.
Ant.
Yes, very good. And what letter is this, my dear? Letter?
I
What letter? Letter T.
N D.
Okay, very good. One more time, my dear. Letter.
D.
Oh, wow, very good. Letter T. How about this, my dear?
N.
Yay, very good. N. Again.
N.
Very good. One more time, my dear. Can you?
N.
Okay, very good. Do you like ant, my dear? Do you
N.
like, yes, do you like ant? Do you like ant?
No.
Why, my dear? Why? Because,
Angel. Angel. Kurt. Be Kurt.
because,
Eat. Be Kurt. Be Kurt.
because,
Be. Be Kurt.
yes, because, my dear, are you scared of ant? Are you scared? Yes or no?
No, I ain't.
Okay, no, I am not
I,
scared. Can you say it, my dear?
I'm not. I'm not too good.
I
So
am
good.
not scared.
For and
Yes. Wow, very good. Can you read again one more time, my dear? I am not scared of ant.
and
Yes. One more time, my dear.
I am not
Scared. Scared.
I am not
Scared.
scared
Yes, of.
of ant.
Yes, wow. Very good. Wow, my dear. You are so brave. And strong, my dear. Wow, strong. Okay, next, my dear. Oh no. Do you know what is this, my dear? Do you know?
Because
Yes. Do you know?
because
Wow. Do you know what is this, my dear? What animal is this? Mm. What animal is this? Mm. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow.
Teacher, maybe he don't understand your question. Maybe you can use for her for him when you ask some question related to the word. For him, have him to understand your question. And sometimes when you give an example, you can write down on the slide, on the screen, or for example like this, to have him. Yeah, thank you
Okay.
so much.
Okay, thank you. All right, my dear. Can you please read?
Predator.
Okay. Alligator.
Alligator.
Yay! Alligator.
Alligator.
Wow, very good. Nice. One more time, my dear. Alligator.
Alligator.
Yeah.
Alligator. Alligator.
Alligator.
Alligator.
Wow. Very good, my dear. Correct. Wow. So, my dear, what is the color of alligator?
Green.
Yes. Very good. Green. Do you like alligator?
No.
Okay, why, my dear?
I
Okay.
because
Are you scared of alligator?
because because it hard.
Ah, so, my dear Ken, are you afraid or are you scared?
Yes, yes.
Đọc
Wow.
theo, đọc theo. Ôi dồi ôi,
Không biết.
You're
đọc
scared.
theo.
You are scared of alligator? Yes.
Are you
Yes. Are you scared of alligator?
cars
Yes or no, my
all
yes or no?
around
Đúng rồi. Im lặng mà đâu.
Okay. Can you answer teacher yes or no? Okay. Are you
Yes.
Okay, yes. All right. Look, my dear. Because look at the alligator. Look, my dear. Rrr. Rrr, my dear God. Look. Ah, roar. Okay. Next, my dear. Okay, wow. Can you read, my dear?
Apple.
Yay, very good. Next.
Ash.
Wow. Ah,
Ash.
yes. Next, my dear.
And
Wow, very good. And good job. Next. Ah,
and arrow tall.
yes. Alligator. Al
Alligator.
yes, alligator.
Greater.
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 Greater. Greater.
Okay. Ali. Go, go, my dear.
A
Alligator.
alligator. Alligator.
Wow. Good job. Yay. Very good, my dear. Wow. All right. Let's play game. Are you ready, my dear? Ready? Are you ready? Let's play game. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's start. Okay. Hmm. Can you guess?
Chọn bố đi.
Red.
Okay. Can you
Ê, con
guess?
không ấy nha, em không bao giờ lấy nha.
Can you guess the picture? Okay.
Yes.
Gì ơi, cái này
Hmm.
bố.
What
Đi.
is
Test. Cash.
wow? Ox.
Ash.
Wow, very good. Good job, my dear. Next picture. Hmm. What is this, my dear?
Ash.
It wow, very good. It's an
Cash.
ant.
Cash.
Yes. It's an ant.
It
It's
and
an
ash.
ant.
It she ant,
Yay, very good. Wow.
Chưa?
What's the color of ant, my dear?
ant,
Wow. What's the color? What's the color of ant? What's the color of ant, my dear?
toy,
Ơ,
bubble,
Yes, very good.
bubble,
Correct. Okay.
uh,
Next, my dear.
apple,
Yes. What is that?
apple,
Yes, very good. Apple. What's the color of apple?
không phải đâu. Em quên em vẫn học.
I
Em quên vẫn nói.
like apple,
Yes, very good. I like apple. What?
I like apple,
Yes, very good. What's the color of apple?
Con từ bay sắc ngồi đâu?
What's the color
Cái
of
gì ạ?
apple?
Con ăn gì đấy đâu? Nghĩ thương ba là
Color
Bí.
yellow.
Cái đấy vừa
yellow,
Yes, very good. One more time. What's the color of apple, my dear?
Xanh là cây. Gọi là gì?
Yes,
Giờ gì? Sao đi?
it's yellow.
yellow,
Okay.
yeah, yellow,
Very good. Okay, next. Hmm.
eh,
Ghé thỏ. Ô ghé thỏ. Ô ghé thỏ.
corrector,
Okay, alligator.
Ghé là thỏ. Ơ ghé
yes,
là
the
thỏ.
jar,
Okay, very good. Again, my dear, what's the color of alligator?
I
Color,
saw,
color,
car,
what's the color of alligator, my dear?
green,
Yes, very good, correct.
green,
All right, next, my dear. Okay, you need to choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Okay?
yeah,
Okay. Hmm.
P,
Wow.
B,
Okay, very good. Okay, good job, my dear. Next. Ant.
C,
Wow, good job. Next. Hmm. Ah,
C,
yay. Very good. Correct. Hmm.
A,
Okay, A. Correct.
B,
Wow, good job. Hmm. letter?
A.
Okay, letter A.
B.
Oh, wow. Good job. Okay, you need to listen, my dear. Okay. Can you please say apple? Apple?
Apple.
Okay, very good. Apple.
Apple.
Good job. Can you please say up?
Ant.
Okay. On.
Ant.
Okay. Alligator.
Alligator.
Wow, very good. Repeat. What is this?
Apple.
Wow, very good. This one.
Ant.
Good. Next.
Ant.
Wow.
A.
Okay.
Rainbow.
Okay. Alligator.
Rainbow.
Okay. Very good, my dear Gan. Good job. Okay, so this time, can you please trace the letter? Can you please trace the letter?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
All right, my dear. Look at picture. This is how, this is how you trace. Mm. And here. Okay.
I.
Wow, very good. Can you trace?
I. Yes.
Okay. Can you do it, my dear? Can you do it like teacher?
Yes.
Okay. Go, my dear, first. One. Oh. One. Three. Yay. Can you do it?
I.
Okay. Can you trace, my dear?
I.
Very good. Mm. Ta-da! Next, my dear. Mm. Can you do it? Go, my dear.
I.
Okay. Circle.